In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design tarpaulin layouts in Canva. If you're creating a banner for a business opening, a birthday celebration, or any outdoor event, getting the layout right is extremely important. A design that looks fine on a screen can end up blurry, stretched, or hard to read once it's printed at a large size. The good news is that you don't need advanced design software to make a professional looking tarpaulin. Canva gives you the tools to build a clean, high-resolution layout as long as you set it up correctly from the beginning. Start on the Canva homepage and go to the top right corner, then click Create a Design. From the menu, choose Custom Size. Before entering any dimensions, change the unit from pixels to inches. This matters because tarpaulins are measured in physical size, not just screen size. For a common 4x3 foot tarpaulin, convert the size into inches by multiplying each foot by 12. Enter 40 for the width and 36 for the height, then click. Create new design. That gives you a canvas with the proper proportions for print. Once your blank design opens, set up your safety guides right away. Go to File, then View Settings, and turn on Show Rulers and Guides along with Show Margins. This step is especially helpful for tarpaulins because the outer edges are often used for eyelets or grommets when the banner is installed. If important text or logos sit too close to the edge, they may get cut off, covered, or punctured. The visible boundary helps you keep key content safely inside the printable area. Next, add your visual elements. On the left sidebar, click Elements and use the search bar to look for graphics that fit your design theme. Try searching for clean, high contrast graphics, and then switch to the Graphics tab to narrow the results. This is important because scalable graphic elements usually hold up better in large format printing than low quality images. Choose a design element that supports your message and drag it onto the canvas. After that, add your text by clicking Text on the left and selecting Add a Text Box. Enter your main headline or event name and keep it short enough to stay bold and readable from a distance. Use the top toolbar to apply a strong, clear font style for the headline and a simpler, easy-to-read font for supporting details. A clear text hierarchy makes the banner easier to scan quickly. Finally, review the whole layout carefully. Move your text and graphics around until Canva's alignment guides help you center and balance everything properly. Double check that nothing important crosses the margin area. When you're ready, click Share, then Download and change the file type to PDF print. This format helps preserve the correct scale and print quality for professional output. Then click Download to save your finished tarpaulin file. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the